Hello students, today I'm going to introduce you to the app Flipgrid, and we're going to get started with how to use this tool. Now this looks a little different than my little display here, as it has some color going around the green plus, but still this is very similar to what the app looks like. So I'm going to use my pointer on my app, and here is my Flipgrid app. And you can see I just circled around it. I'll do it one more time for you to see. That is the app you're going to look for. So you're going to click onto it, and then it's going to open like this. Now sometimes teachers ask you to use a code to join, but today we're going to ask you to use a Flipgrid QR code. All right, you can see a few of my options already available on my iPad. I'm going to take my QR code. Now some QR codes might be different colors, but you're going to take your QR code and you're going to scan it. So I'm going to click onto the Scan Flipgrid QR code button. Now mine does not say to enable the camera and the audio. You will want to do that. Your iPad's going to say that. Enable means to grant the app access to your camera and your audio. In order to use Flipgrid, you're going to need to do that. So now, once you enable it, you're going to take your QR code and you're going to make sure to put it in this black square. And you'll see how this works in just a second. So I'm going to lift up my iPad, and my screen where the QR code is will go from black to white very shortly here, and then I'm going to scan my QR code. So again, we're just waiting. My iPad's lagging a little bit here for the black screen to turn white. Okay, we're going to just wait one more split second, because again I'm showing you the brown or the black square there. Hopefully it'll pop up in just a second here. You gotta love tech. Sometimes tech happens, boys and girls. Sometimes it just happens. So now it's white screen, and I want to put my QR code under it. All right. And if it's a little blurry, then you may have to change it so you can get a hold of it. And you're going to wait for it to scan it for you. So the very first thing is I have some writing here. And if you're like, whoa, I'm not sure how to read that, guess what? There's a slick tool here with the notebook or the book with the audio. You're going to click onto it and it's going to read it to you. So you're going to use the green little play button and watch this.
This is a place where you can chat and connect with your classmates virtually.
Okay. So if you want the information read to you, you're going to use that button. Okay, students, so we are in the Immersive Reader here, which allows, like I showed you earlier, allows the app to read the words to you. Once you're all done and you have the Immersive Reader read everything to you, you're going to go over to the arrow here. It's a back arrow that I'm showing you, and you're going to click onto it and it's going to take you back to your topic. Don't forget to listen to Mrs. Nording and what she has to say here. Down here where it says read, record a response, this is where we're going to start recording responses. So I'm going to walk you through this process right now. So I'm going to click on to record a response, and you can see I'm right here ready, and I'm going to click the record button right here. Now you do have a couple options that you may use. Well, we're going to skip on those options right now. But the effects, you can use any of these effects. No more than 2 GIFs to a page. You might want to add a border like I added. And then you're just going to click onto effects again to bring it down to the bottom of the page. So today we're going to talk about what we like about virtual learning. So here I go. I love virtual learning. I love seeing all my classmates on a Google Meet in the morning. I love starting my day with those meets. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to hit the pause button and it stops. Okay, and did you notice? Look at what happened there. My video went to the bottom right-hand corner here. So I'm going to click onto it because it's going to double check. I'm going to listen to it, and if I don't like it, I can put it in the trash and I can redo the video. So here I go. I love. All right, so I'm like, yes, I like this. I'm going to click the green check mark right here. And now we all need to take a selfie. So I'm going to take a selfie, but I can use the effects again. So in the effects area, you may use emojis or you may use a frame. All right, so let me pick out emojis. We want to not cover up people's faces. I'm going to take a look at accessories. You can put a hat on. You may put on glasses, but just glasses. So let's say I wanted these glasses on me. Nope. Then I'm going to try to find a way to make it possible. So there it is. And then I can take my selfie. I can also, in special effects, maybe I want a selfie and maybe I want a frame. Ooh, look at, I want both of those. Then I'm going to take my camera button right here, this red button, and I'm going to snap a picture. Are you guys ready? Watch this. 1, 2, 3. If I like it, I may hit the green button. If I don't, I may hit the trash button and redo it. But I'm going to say I like it, and then there I am. The one last thing you have to do is hit the blue submit button. So I'm going to click the blue submit button, and oh, there's one more thing. It's asking you to return to the topic. So I'm going to return to the topic, and that's it. If I look, oh, if it looks like I didn't respond, do you see it, what I did? I went to the top and I pulled down, and that refreshes it, and there I am. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I can't wait to see what you have to say about virtual learning.